Welcome to Travel Around Suzy. Today's video is kind of a flashback. I am bringing you back to 2018 where my van life / YouTube journey started. And this is my first rig, a 2000 Buick LeSabre that I converted into a sleep camper. And then I will make 3 or 4 videos documenting my travels all the way to California. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can follow along. And thank you for everyone that is still along with the journey. Going back to 2018, I was actively going out, hanging out with people, and a lot of people were thinking that I was crazy for this, and they also too was very worried about me, a female solo person, driving all the way across the country by myself. But I do not look at fear like everybody else. I still try to enjoy my life, and I knew my childhood had taught me a lot of street knowledge, therefore I was comfortable doing this journey. I started off on January 20th. I left out of Michigan to live a nomadic life for the next two to 2.5 months. I want to go see the United States, and I am going to do it in a very cheap way. I am not renting hotels. I am living out of my car, you could say, for the next 2.5 months. I have packed everything that I think I will need. I am staying at rest areas until I get over into the Arizona and New Mexico area where there's BML lands and national land where I can boondock for free. It's all new life to me. Today, one thing I learned was in Texas, it is still kind of cold here, and at 50 degrees with windy days, it's not a good idea to take a shower outside. I found a state park that cost me $6 to get in for the day, and I have another video that I will post of the hike that I took. And it was breathtaking. Plus, I took a shower there. And I know that at truck stops and stuff, you can pay $6 to $10 for a shower. But at this state campground, the shower was clean. It was a single shower, so I could take my time and do whatever I need to do. And it was very clean. And I have to tell you, I will try to show you the view of when I got out of the shower, the view, and I'm watching the sunset. Let me show you. Look at this beautiful scenery. There's the showers in the background. Just absolutely beautiful here. And I took a 2-mile hike, which was down by a river, waterfalls, for $6. I really can't complain. Well, I will keep posting videos of my travel. I do not have any videos other than starting my adventure in Texas.
Pack my dreams in a Buick ride, tiny camper by my side. Left Michigan with the morning sun, didn't know where this road would run. Hiking trails that ain't lake bright, chasing sunsets every night. Boots and music, stockyards of lights, Texas stars on warm summer nights. Magnolia memories, coffee in my hand, find catchy chorus could be. From Michigan down to Texas skies, windows down and a heart that flies. One little Buick, one big dream. Life's not always what it seems. Every mile wrote part of my story. Freedom found on roads before me. Travel around Suzy, wild and free. America's waiting on me.
Well, come along with me, and I hope to show you very cheap ways to vacation. This life is not for everybody. Some people can't do this, some people can, but so far from Michigan to Texas, I've spent about $115, and most of that is in gas. Food-wise, I have been just not eating very expensive, but I did pack food. I do have food here that I will be camping and eating, but lately I just haven't been that hungry, so I've been eating about one time a day, and that's been enough for me because I've been just driving. I haven't been really exercising. I wanted to get out of the cold weather from Michigan. It's like -15 the other day. Too cold for me. So I wanted to be out of there and enjoy beautiful scenery and no more snow. And as you can see, no snow. It's a little chilly for a t-shirt and blue jeans, but you just seen I was out there. I have t-shirts on. It wasn't that cold. Loving the sunset. Well, I look forward to showing you more of my trip, and enjoy life. Life is too short. You gotta make every day count. Until next time, talk to you later.